The final form factor is what Nintendo calls tabletop mode. Using the kickstand that's attached to the back of the screen, you can prop the console up on a table and then detach the Joy-Cons for some semi-portable gaming. In theory, this is a perfect fit for long journeys on public transport where you have a tray table to place the console on, but this is a bit of a mixed experience. It's certainly lovely being able to use the Joy-Cons in the grip rather than having them attached to the console. The grip provides just enough extra plastic to make the controllers much more comfortable in the hands, and having the console a little further away from you means that your sitting posture feels a lot more natural. Tabletop mode is also great for multiplayer gaming. Detaching both Joy-Cons to allow two people to play against one another is a pleasure. This makes the console perfect for whipping out at small gatherings where you'll already have everything you need for a multiplayer session. But there are a couple of issues that prevent the console from fully capitalizing on tabletop mode. First is the kickstand. Although it's rubberized, which means that the console doesn't slide around, it only supports the console at a single height. This means that if your tray table is a little closer to you, then there's no ability to prop the console up so that it's facing you more directly. You'll instead be stuck with the screen pointing at your chest rather than face. Second is the charging port, which is inaccessible when you're using it in tabletop mode. During a recent train journey, this meant that although we were in the perfect situation to use tabletop mode, we ended up using the console as a handheld so that we could make use of the charger next to our seat. Finally, when it comes to multiplayer gaming, the screen is just a little too small for more than 2 players. 4-player Mario Kart is almost impossible due to the size and resolution of the screen, and we found ourselves trying to put our face mere inches from the console to be able to make out more distant details in the game's tracks. Overall, it feels as though tabletop mode is better suited to short periods of use, which is a shame when it should be the de facto way to use the console over long periods.